song that takes me far away, a lullaby in my ear.
Do you hear? Do you hear? It's the sound of springtime and fresh air. Hear the little bird now, hear the little bird. Its melody flows like a river of pearls. And have you ever heard now, have you ever heard a more delightful sound in the whole wide world? It's more than a tweet, tweet, tweeting, it's repeating. It's more than a twit, twit, twitching, it's bewitching. It's a chirp, chirp, tweedle, tweedle, peep, peep, jolly good song.